Hello students, today we will learn about a computer system. Students, let us understand the working of computer. Every computer works by following the steps given below. Input. The data and instructions which we enter using a keyboard or a mouse into a computer are called input. We can enter numbers, words, pictures and sounds as input. Processing. After entering data and instructions in a computer, the CPU works on the input and performs the given task. This is called processing. Output. After processing, the CPU gives the result and displays it on the monitor, which is called output. This input process output IPO cycle can be understood with the help of an example. Example. Suppose you want to calculate the total marks scored by a student in different subjects. See how the processing takes place in a computer. Input 90, 85, 69, 98, 76, 84 plus data and instructions. The first step is to input data and instructions, that is marks and plus symbol. Process 90 plus 85 plus 69 plus 98 plus 76 plus 84. Working on the data based on the given instructions. Output 502. Result or meaningful information. On the basis of total marks obtained, the teacher calculates the percentage of the student and finds his or her position in the class. Likewise, we also perform various tasks by following the IPO, input process output cycle. Okay, let us understand it through some day-to-day life examples. Example. What are the steps that your mother takes when she prepares a cup of tea? Input. Water, tea leaves, milk and sugar. Process. Boiling water, tea leaves, milk and sugar. Output. Prepared tea. Now let us take another example. What steps you take when you want to talk to your friend on a telephone? Input. Dialing the number. Process. Connecting the number. Output. Talking to your friend. Students, let us take a recap of this chapter. Computer is a machine that works with the data and instructions given by the user. The parts of a computer that you can touch are called hardware. A group of instructions given to the computer to do a particular work is called software. Input is the data and instructions that is entered into a computer. A keyboard and a mouse are used to enter data and instructions into a computer. A keyboard has different sets of keys. They are typing keys, control keys, function keys, numeric keypad, and navigation keys. A mouse is used to point, select, and move any object on the computer screen. A monitor displays all the work that we do on a computer and the output. A CPU does all the calculations and displays the result on the monitor. It is made up of MU, CU, and ALU. The meaningful information that we get after processing is known as output.